Good morning. My name is Brighton Mukaza. I'm part of the Huddersfield African Community Foundation, one of the directors, and I'm part of the chef. Today, we're here to do some cooking classes to give back to the community, help them learn life skills. Today, I'll be me and myself and Lashon will be heading the cooking session. Today, I hope the students will learn to cook, and the other thing for them to learn is to be independent, and the other thing want them to learn is to save money because of the high cost of prices for food and all that. We want to give them the independence to cook the restaurant and kind of style food in their own comfort, in their own home. And we just want them to be able to learn self-independence and to be good cooks. Me professionally, it just makes me happy giving something to people, teaching people my skills, what I've learned from other people. Me, it's all about giving. That's what I'm here for. It's just to give back and let people learn my skills and learn from other chefs, which I'm coordinating with. It's just to give back and just something to do to make me happy with my life, to just give back.
So my name is Lashon Price, and my role here today is head chef. I'll be I'll be leading the team on cooking a few dishes today to see where we get. I've been a chef for the past 18 years. My role was as head chef at a Caribbean restaurant for about 10 years, in 2007 onwards. And then I opened up a meal prep company. So that, and now I'm a freelance chef where I go to people's houses, cook private meals, and I currently work for football players, cooking their evening meals. Well, there's two things. One is that there's something that they can do with food, and two is the potential of doing something that I do. It's not just a dead-end job where you work in a kitchen. There's more to it than just having a day-to-day job kind of thing. So yeah, I just want to show them that, because I don't think there's any representation from my end to show that there is that kind of field that they can go into. So yeah, that's my role here today, to try show them that there's that.
If people want to get involved, you can contact myself, or you can contact Howard at Northfield Hall. We're going to be holding, all these sessions are free, so if anyone is interested, can you please just contact Howard? We'll be having more sessions in May or June or whenever. Hopefully we get more funding. So whoever wants to learn to cook, whoever wants to try new challenges, learn all kinds of different cooking from different chefs all over the world, you're all more than welcome.